What's going on, faves? It's Friday, the 3rd of March. It's in the evening. It's been one of them days we didn't have work. I'll tell y'all about it. I'm excited to share and show. Honey, let me tell you, I've been waiting on these books and they finally came. So I was going to do an unboxing with both of them, but I already started working on one because, hey, time is of the essence. And if you're new here, then you don't know that I'm really working for some awesome and amazing things for my future, for me and my son, for the rest of my family. So it's time for me to get to it. So let me just show you what I got, okay? Honey, let me show. Oh, yeah, and sorry I ain't got like a lick of makeup on today and no eyebrows, but girl, honey, I told you I've been at home chilling all day today. So, yeah, whatever. I got this one day before yesterday. Something I've been waiting on, and it finally came, and it is awesome. And I have already started, you guys. I have already started. You had to read all of this first. You see, I've been outlining some things. And then tonight, I did this page, which I love. Ask for what you want and be prepared to get it. Ask for what you want and be prepared to get it. So I started here. Okay? All right? And then tomorrow, I will start here. Okay? I'm excited. Now, this book, I seen this on Instagram. I seen them both from Instagram. I ordered them both from Amazon. But this one, honey, oh my goodness. Let me get something to open this package with. Okay, so I'm just going to go right here. Don't try this at home, young people. This is not how you should open up a package. This is just how I am opening up this package, okay? Hopefully that's enough. Hopefully that is enough. I'll tell you what. Oh my goodness, you guys, I had no idea that it was this big. Oh my goodness. Oh. And this one is so pretty. Okay, so they had this in 3 colors. A teal, a purple, lilac color, I guess, I don't know. And then they had it in a lavender color. And this one kind of looks lavender. I thought I was getting, I really like it. I really like it. I really, really like it. It's so pretty, but I thought I was getting the darker colored book. But I'm happy with this one. So let me open it up because I can't do it with my hands on the camera. Oh my God, y'all, I'm so excited. Book comes like it's in its own little box. I haven't opened it yet. It's heavy. Oh my God, it's heavy. Okay, so let me see if I can open it up. I don't think I can with one hand. Okay, so I've taken the book out of its box, and this is what I saw first, which is Welcome to the Sisterhood. Awesome. Okay. It says, hello, Goddess. Thank you for your order. And then there are some stickers here. Okay. And this is the empty box the book was in. You guys, this is the book. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. And it's rose gold here. This book. And this is just simply pretty. Okay, so let me open it up. So of course I've already taken a peek in. It is so, so nice. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I love it. Wow. It's dedication. Connect to be guided virtually. It's got this QR code here. Oh my goodness, you got so much. And then I just love it. I absolutely already love it. The manuscripting period. There's all of this information to help us grow, help us to stay focused. Oh my goodness. I really like that there's so much activity, all of this interaction with yourself. Love this, you guys. I love this weekly soul check-in. Oh my God, to talk about your challenges for the week. Things that you haven't done. Things that you said you wanted to do but didn't get done. Let's start over again. Look at this. Wheel of Life reflection. Oh my God. I love it. Now it looks like we're practicing 3 months. I don't know. I was confused. It says 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. Okay. I thought clearly this book is not just for 3 months. But either way, it's just a beautiful help. Okay. That's artists, y'all. Sorry. Vision boards. So check-ins. Just beautiful. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get started with this book. I tell y'all, it's a new year. We're still new year here. It is only March. Okay, it is only March. Y'all, whatever you promise yourself, whatever goals you set for yourself, whatever it is, y'all, come on. I'm serious about mine. I have paid off 2 credit cards. I'm not playing. I paid off 2 credit cards. I am starting a retirement fund for myself because y'all know I own my own business, so there is like literally no retirement fund, so I'm doing this myself. Y'all know last year in December y'all saw me go and get started with the credit union, and sis got a whole savings account, and I ain't talking about the savings account in my other bank because that savings account is funny. Okay, I'm talking about real savings account, baby. Who? Yes. So we're just getting things done. And I'm staying focused and centered and powered. Okay? And I want y'all to come along and do it with me. Whoever wants to, come on. Because I'm telling you, I'm not playing with this thing. This year is the year. Okay? That's on my vision board. 2023 is my year. Come on. Go with me. Yes. Heyy Favs. That's right, girl. I think she's stuck. She is. I ain't gonna tell them what's going on with the TV because we've had all kinds of winter storms, windstorms, all that stuff today. It's been a mess, but I cannot wait to share this knowledge with you guys. As I learn, y'all know I'm gonna share, okay? So for now, I'm just getting ready to go to sleep because tomorrow morning, Saturday, I'm having an incubator experience tomorrow, and I haven't had one in a very long time. But the incubator experience, one of my girlfriends, really smart girl, said, Renee, you're not pronouncing that word correctly. Because I was saying incubator. That's that Midwest, honey. Chop a word up. But it's an incubator. And the incubator, if you don't know, I'm going to attach a video right here so you guys can see it so you'll know what I'm talking about. It's a women's wellness workshop that I facilitate for anybody in my city that says, hey, I really like this idea. I would love to host one of these incubators for me and my family, or for me and my friends, or for me and my sisters, or for whomever. So Pave is having an incubator tomorrow. And we're going to be at the headquarters, Baptist Fellowship, And it's not going to be a lot of them, but just a few. But just so we can start using the incubator experiences for some of our parents. See how God is moving? He is. All right, good night, y'all. See y'all tomorrow.